In a world like today, it's a rare occasion to be able to see young mothers like the ones that were around when I grew up. But they live on in memory to quite a few of us. And this song is dedicated to those who cherish that memory. Early one Sunday morning, breakfast was on the table. There was no time to eat. She said to me, boy, hurry to Sunday school, filled with a Lord of glory. We learned the holy story. She'll always have her dreams, despite the things this troubled world can bring. Oh, say, don't you know we love you, sweet Sadie? Place no one above you, sweet Sadie. Well, living in the past. Sometimes it seems so funny, no money will turn your life around. Sweeter than cotton candy, stronger than Papa's old brandy. Always that needed smile. Once in a while, she would break down and cry. Sometimes she'd be so happy, being with us and Daddy, standing the worst of times, breaking the binds with just a simple song. Oh, Sadie Mae,
don't you know
still loving us all in your special way. Well,
there's no one above you,
sweet Sadie, living in the past. Oh, she's never sinning. In love, she's always winning. Yeah. My.
You know we love you,
I love you, Mama.
There's no one
I just can't forget how you gave me love. Oh, Lord. If there's a heaven up above, I know she's teaching angels how to love. It's a mean world without you. All the love you show. Oh, how could anyone ever doubt you love the world? Ain't it funny that in the end it's not money, it's just the love you gave us all. Why, to the good lead so. I don't know. And though the people say they love my songs, oh Lord, I'm all alone. I miss her so long. Well,
don't you know we love you,
I love you, Mama.
There's no one above you, sweet.
Let me just try one more time and say and though we were very poor, she tried to love us that much more. Oh, have you ever?
You know we love
Have you ever met Sadie?
There's no one above you, sweet.
The premier of ladies. Oh, sometimes I feel so alone, but I know that I gotta go on. It's what she wanted from me.
You know we love you, sweet.
I know it's gonna be hard sometimes.